it's hot. Anyway, guys, welcome to my channel. How are you guys doing? Guys, I think I chose the wrong day to do what we eat in a day because there's no water today and tomorrow. But your girl woke up early to do laundry and the clothes are outside. And yeah,
that's my mama.
So we are gonna have this now. These things don't last. Only 2 left. Mama, you guys. See.
Ice cream.
Ice lollies, guys. This is what we're surviving on now. You, it's hot. I think I need a fan even though I don't have makeup. Because what is this?
Mama, here's a fan.
You. No, I don't mean the fan for the house. I mean fan for my face. You guys, it's hot. Anyway, in this video we are doing Tat Nancy for the girls.
Can I pour myself water on my face?
Go wash it. Go wash it. Why on your face?
Just kidding.
I think I chose the wrong day, but yeah, we're gonna do this. It is currently 12 o'clock. I'm gonna make them bread. Toasted bread. Okay. Cheese.
Yes.
I'm gonna make toasted bread. And I wish Akanya would sleep. And then I'm gonna make him his Cerelac. And I'll also eat toasted bread with Auras. Auras is saving the day.
For the hotness.
For the hotness, and it's on sale at Boxer and the other shops. I wish I had Boxer close to me. And guys, please go subscribe to my other channel where I plug you about specials. The other channel is Buluko N. Please search it. I want to reach 500 by the end of the year. Also, please follow me on Instagram. I still don't know what I'm doing for Instagram. I don't know, but please do follow me and let's grow together. Akanya is doing something in the bedroom and I know I'm not happy, but as long as I can hear him, I know he's still not in trouble. Anyway guys, this is a spend day with me. No, what we eat in a day. Okay, my phone is dying. Right guys, please don't skip the ads. Like, subscribe if you're seeing me for the first time. Yeah, he's gonna fight them now. Mommy, I just brushed my teeth. I won't be able to. No, don't take it. Don't take it.
Mom, Papa him ice cream.
I must give him ice cream. Yo, your energy. Give me my money.
Yeah.
Just give me my money.
Yeah. Anyways,
what? Bye guys.
Don't forget to press the subscribe button and like and subscribe and